Epicflows production.
Epicflows!
Yeah!
Hello.
Dutty boy, you heard go police station. Listen, me know you're supposed to have me on speakerphone, you know, and if you hold out now, listen, me no got your style. No, now no can't do me nothing, you hear that?
I know who you are.
Idiot. Me sound like me a hide. You know, must recognize my voice. Look how long we are friends for.
We're not friends.
Dog, me can't believe I say you can pum feelings, dog. You heard go police station through me, fuck your job. How kind of style? So how you even find out about that, brother?
I saw the photos.
Yo, if you see photos, a Photoshop you see. Why would I be so sick in a maid to take picture on the girl phone and left them?
Why is it everyone who ever knew you said that you're a sick son of a bitch?
Yo, people just love chat, dog. Them say I used to touch goat balls and play with it. You never hear that about you.
Oh, we're not talking about me.
What you want to talk about? You want to talk about your girl, right? Where did they when she had the sundress them, the short sundress them, a walk and a bend over boys for pick up things? Where did they when she had the rampers them? The rampers with her pum a print out, eh? Where did they when she had touch up my ear and I rub down my curls and I say, oh, Epic, your hair so curly and nice, where you put tonight? Where did they dog, eh? You know there nowhere. And them type of things that turn me into a monster.
A real monster.
Yeah man, me a real monster. And your girl if you go chat to you hear that. I bounty me listen to me dark, everything about me dark. I live in the darkness.
What do you see when you're in the dark and the demons come?
Brother, your girl really a call demon. And them style they make she give a bun. Just wait till me buck her again. Me I go make she ball out like when Dovey Magnum buck her too.
That's not gonna happen.
Yo, believe what you want to believe still in the dog. Me have to go cut you now though. Cause me have a rendezvous with your girl later.
You have a rendezvous with my ass, motherfucker.
Friggin' idiot.
It's epic out here.
Epicflows production.
Radical epic.
Epicflows.
Leash. Big bad boy Jamaican, you know. Kingston.
Yeah!